From the moment you open the package, the Refoss P11S gives the impression of a product built with practicality in mind. There is no unnecessary presentation or gimmickry here. The experience is straightforward, focused, and professional, much like the device itself. Inside, you find only the plug and the documentation. What stands out immediately is the compactness. This is not one of those oversized smart plugs that blocks neighboring sockets or becomes awkward on extension strips. The P11S is clearly shaped for real European households, where space around wall outlets is often limited and multi-plug setups are common. Even before powering it on, it already feels like something you could deploy throughout an apartment or office without constantly fighting for space. The defining identity of the Refoss P11S is not just its compact design or its monitoring features. It is the fact that Refoss has embraced openness. This plug supports fully open API access through JSON-RPC 2.0 over HTTP, along with MQTT and webhook integration. That means it can become part of advanced custom automation environments without being trapped inside proprietary ecosystems. For home assistant users, this is particularly powerful. Integration through HACS is clean and modern, allowing the P11S to function as a native smart entity with full switching, monitoring, automation triggers, and energy reporting.